Dude, nice burnout, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. It's my best burnout vehicle.
All right, guys. Today we are out here at one of my favorite locations. We're out here at the Freedom Factory, Cletus McFarland's awesome track down here in Bradenton, Florida. We got invited out here by Nitto today to do a pretty special race. We're doing a lap around the oval, and then we've got a complete halfway off-road course around the entire Freedom Factory property. Kind of skeptical about how this is gonna go, but we're extremely excited about it. So last video we were talking about a secret race. So this is actually the secret race, and it looks like we got some fun competition for the track. I don't know how we're gonna stack up on the track. I think we're gonna take it in the off-road section. If you guys haven't checked out the YouTube channel Driving Line, they've been doing this race series for a while now, and this is the first one where it's actually not all on a track. So we're pretty excited about racing it, as well as being out here at the Freedom Factory.
Nice.
Dude, hold on. Dude. It's gonna be a crazy day.
All right, so before we get started with this race, I finally just learned who we're gonna be running up against. We got Taylor Ray, a fellow YouTuber who also does a lot of drifting and automotive content. He brought out his C6 Corvette that we're gonna be racing. I believe it's around 1100 horsepower, and I've got a really strong feeling he's gonna be kicking our butt on the track with that thing. But as far as the off-road section, I think that's where we're gonna gain all our time back, and I honestly might have a chance of winning this race today. All right, so the boys just got done getting the Can-Am lettered out. We're getting the mics and cameras set up in the car. Taylor's doing his practice run, then we're up next. So the boys over at Nitto hooked us up with a set of trail grapplers for the side-by-side, which I believe are gonna dominate this competition, being that this race is off-road for probably about 70% of it. So we're doing test runs right now, and that's my competition.
Hey, that's your competition, by the way.
I think he's doing way higher tech than we normally do.
Yeah.
We got the media mod and the mic in there. We got the passenger over here.
Ready when you are.
Ready to rip? Yes, sir. This is gonna be slick. We're just gonna end up drifting this entire track, I think. It's gonna be the only thing we got anywhere else. Sorry about your rocks, Garrett. I didn't mean to rip them up, but I'm trying to win a race. We came into this corner hot as crap. I mean, we're coming in at 80.
He is hauling ass, dude. No one has come in that hot to that yet.
They did say to go easy there.
They did say to go easy, and he did not, in fact, go easy.
Figure out my braking section back here, because that time I came way too deep. Oh, I just had a bird! I got a bird! Miller, I have a bird in my cab! I got a bird! I got a bird! He's on my passenger seat! He's sleeping. Oh, he's alive. Nah, he's dead.
Oh, shit.
I think he's dead.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Did he fly into you? I hit him in the back straight.
Dang, we're gonna have to blur this for YouTube. It's a whole bird. Wow.
I'm coming down the back stretch, I see the bird fly up in the air, and then go wham! And then he just drops down to my feet, and he was under my pedals. And I'm sitting there trying to get the bird out while I'm driving one-handed into that corner. But I think he's dead.
Oh my gosh, look how chopped these rear tires are.
Yeah, we're still on all beats.
Look how chopped you are right here.
Yeah. Well,
You'll be alright.
that's what you get when Did you burn your tires down? I don't know. I thought we did all right. All right, we just got done ripping all the laps in the Maverick R. I feel like we put down a pretty good time. Taylor got to put down 1 lap time before his car broke, but we got that thing back up and running. And he said, look, but I'm gonna put on a show for you guys. So let's go find him real quick. This 1,000 horsepower, 7 liter, 1,000 horsepower.
It's like a fully built LS, dark block, LS7 heads. I bought a car like,
Hey man, we're trying a video here.
and then I ended up rebuilding the whole car. Mostly just kept the engine.
I was feeling confident until I saw Taylor hit the track and just absolutely lay down some lines and some good times coming through the corners where I just can't even get the speed through the corner. And I'm hoping I have enough time saved on the off-road section to actually be competitive.
Yeah, you definitely, the off-road section, the side-by-side is so planted, and this thing is not at all meant for off-roading.
What do you mean?
I mean, it is a monster truck.
Yeah?
A lot of people call drift cars like, I mean, it's higher than normal, but
So is a Maverick R faster than a Corvette?
1,000 horsepower Corvette?
I don't know.
off-road and on-road.
We'll find out. How do I get in it?
So see that? Yep.
You gotta go in through the window, Kyle.
Ricky Bobby.
The best part of this is I've never been in a drift car.
I know, I was thinking that. I was like, I don't know if you have.
Nope. I mean a little bit, but nothing like crazy. This is top tier level drift car right here. Definitely the best experience I could get.
All right, ready?
Yes, sir. Let her rip. Holy crap. Holy shit. That thing is wicked.
It's wild, right?
Oh yeah. This corner feels insane. Because we were probably doing 75 coming into it. Dude, that is sick. That was awesome. Thank you. All right, we just got finished up here with our racing at the Freedom Factory. Taylor, it was way closer than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it was a better pairing than you would think. You would think side by side, 1,000 horsepower drift car Corvette, not a good pairing. But because of the track and like all the different surfaces, it made it like, I feel like such a good pairing.
If you guys want to catch more drift stuff, head on over to Taylor's channel. It'll be linked down in the description. Be excited to look out for the final results and the awesome video that Driveline produces from this day. Can't say I would have ever expected this machine out here. Next time you bring in a rally car?
Yeah, something. Maybe I'll buy a side by side.
And maybe I'll buy a drift car. We have a drift car. Maybe we'll build a really nice drift car.
Yeah.
All right, so we just got done with the race, and unfortunately we can't post the results yet, as Nitto has their YouTube channel Driving Line, where you'll be able to see their full episode. But we gotta hold off on posting the results. That was their big request, which I'm totally fine with, because one, it was pretty awesome to get this opportunity to go to the Freedom Factory and race. 2 other things I'm really excited about. One, we are now sponsored by Nitto Tires, which is extremely exciting for all of us on the channel, especially for the burnout drift truck that we have now. And secondly, we're getting ready to head somewhere pretty awesome, which is gonna be right now. All right, so we just got done with the whole race over at the Freedom Factory. Taylor invited us over to the house, and we were talking about jet boats, and he was like, dude, come on over. It's on your way home. We got the jet boat. We got the river 5 minutes from the house. Of course, I didn't bring a bathing suit because that would make sense, but at least we got shorts. But besides jet boating, obviously you guys saw me and Taylor rip around the track in his Corvette yesterday. He's got a lot of really cool projects in this shop going on. He's got a drag car, some other cool Monte Carlo hanging up there, as well as this awesome shop. That's how I learned about Taylor, was from watching his shop build videos and just kind of enjoying to see what he's done and learned a few different things. Some of the things that I've even applied to my shop. So honestly, we sat here for probably the last 2 hours just talking about the shop and stuff that we all do as YouTubers and kind of just shooting the crap. And we haven't even gotten to jet boating yet, and we've already had a great time hanging out. So if you guys want to go see some cool builds and just different content, if that's in your realm, go check them out. But let's go catch you guys on the water.
Where are the gators at? Where are the gators at? Oh, you can see him. Oh my God, look at him.
He's a little guy. One right, literally right there. Right there. Oh! Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Oh, the reflection.
Go in.
All right, Miller, we're gonna push you in.
Hey, chill, bro. I got my phone hooked.
Where the alligators at? We got one of the alligators. It's kind of like a safari tour, but a lot better.
All right, we are just getting back from Florida. Huge thank you to Nitto Tire for having us down there for the event. That was kind of a last minute phone call and I'm so stoked that we were able to make it. Also huge thank you to Taylor for having us. It was pretty awesome jet boating. I'm not gonna lie, I got my feelings hurt a little bit in his shop because his shop is extremely impressive and that just makes me wanna work on my shop that much more. So drop down in the comments and let me know if we should do another shop kind of update build video because now I've got some different ideas of what I should do in here. We post every Wednesday. It's Wednesday right now if you're watching this live. We will be heading, Luke, are we heading to Mud Nats? Is that next video? All right, Mud Nats will be our next video and I'm pretty stoked about that because we'll be meeting up with Oster Cruiser, Colt Jean, Dustin Jones, the whole entire Can-Am team. What?
One more thing. It says right here that 64% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. What are you doing? It takes like 2 seconds to click the button. Do you guys hate us or like?
Check out next week's video as it's pretty exciting and enjoy the after credit scenes and we'll see you guys next week.
Can we get the hole in one? The green starts up there.
Yeah, that way, that way.
Yep.
Hold on, he's missing a tire. He's missing a tire.
Oh, there it is, I got it. 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, I tried to pick that up one hand. Here, don't worry.
Bye.
Bye.
Aw. There you go. Like and subscribe. Okay, we are at the Freedom Factory. But we can't tell you. We can't tell you if we win the race because this is the intro right here. I mean, I love it.
This is the intro.
This is the most cinematic.
We won't make this intro.
I think this goes the outro.